Hi and welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. This week marks 1 year since the start of the lockdown, and to mark the occasion I'm going to be taking a look back at some of the best lockdown transformations we have had the pleasure of being involved in within the past year. First up, we've got the summer house from Shibden. Janet and her husband hand built the summer house on the hillside at the back of their house. They asked us to install some stainless steel and glass balustrade to make sure we didn't restrict the views. The favourite thing about this project for me was the view over the valley of Halifax, and it was absolutely amazing. So next up, we've got the frameless balustrade on the balcony at Pudsey. Lee had issues with the drainage on this roof, so we came up with the idea of installing drainage blocks underneath the frameless balustrade to make sure the water run away, and he was really happy with this one. We also did the staircase and the landing balustrade inside to give a really modern approach to a newly renovated house. Next up, we've got the oak and glass staircase for Martin over at Halifax. Martin had an old-fashioned staircase in his house and he wanted to update the house and modernise it, especially working on the feature staircase. We came in, we installed the oak and the glass, and we turned it round in double quick time for him, and it looks absolutely amazing when we've finished. So last but not least, we've got Eridex over at Huddersfield. Mark was the project manager on this job, and the client wanted a traditional internal staircase with wrought iron railings, and they wanted a modern look on the outside with a frameless Juliet balcony. This one has got to be the favourite one for me because it showcases the entire range of products that we offer. The traditional wrought iron balustrade inside works really well with the look of the house, and externally it was all nice and rendered, and the modern look lends itself to the frameless Juliet balcony that we've installed. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please drop us an email at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk or leave us an inquiry on the website and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.